Selma Teacher 7, Mr. Berry here. Today we're going to be looking at an AI program that will take your text prompt and convert it over to useful sounds that you can use then in your video and audio projects. So a subscriber of mine had commented down below in the comments on another video and asked basically these questions. Is there an AI program that does what you've been doing, but instead of creating an image or a video, they'll actually create sounds? And he wanted to make sure that it transforms his text prompts into unique and realistic sound effects for various video or audio projects that he has. Number 2, it's 100% free to use. Number 3, it's free from any sign-in or installations or downloads, meaning you just go to the website, put in your text prompt, click on create, and it makes a sound. And the last requirement is that it has to have no ads. So I combed throughout the internet looking for something that can transform your text prompt into unique sounds. It's 100% free to use. It's online, so you can use it from your Chromebook, and has no sign-in requirements and no ads. And I found one. It's called PopOp.ai. So let's take a look at PopOp.ai. You and I, come on. Hey, so here we are in popop.ai.com, and it's really easy to use. In fact, what I've done is I've already gone in there and I made a few sounds. The very first sound I'm going to show you is baseball stadium ambient sounds, and I did that with some images that I used over from Night Cafe. So let's see what this thing can actually do first off, and then I'll show you some actual samples there of me creating it. So let's take a look and see what it can do. Hey, and before we get too far into the video, I would like to remind everyone to please give this video a thumbs up, as that really helps the channel. Alrighty, well, let's continue with popop.ai. So that was baseball sounds that we created last, and now let's create something else. Let's go with nighttime sounds in a meadow. And there we go, nighttime sounds in a meadow with insects and breeze. There we go. Let's generate this. Okay, it's created two different options for us. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to play those with the images that I've created with Night Cafe there. AI art generator. So let's download these and play them. Okay, so those were nighttime sounds in a meadow with insects and breeze. Let's read up and see what it says about itself here. So this is the free AI sound effect generator, online sound maker. Convert text into natural sound effects, human sound effects, musical instrument sounds, ambient sounds, special effects, and more, all for free with our online AI sound effect generator. Alrighty. And I will have a link to this down in the description as well, so that you can find it as well there. Let's see what else they say about it here, what other things they have for us for as far as goodies. Transform text into captivating sound effects in any category. Whether it's bustling crowd noises or enchanting magical spells, our AI sound maker effortlessly translates your vision into immersive audio. You can visit our extension collection of user-generated sound effects where unique and diverse audio treasures await your discovery. Ooh, that sounds nice. So you can find different things there. Here's fireworks. Let's listen to fireworks here for a second. Very good. Glass shattering. Magical. That was kind of magic, yes. Okay, spaceship sounds. Boy, I heard some voices in there too, kind of interesting. Action. Okay, that was action. Let's go with a gunshot here. Yep, that sounds like that. Okay, ambient sounds. Now, we heard some ambient sounds already from a baseball stadium as well as nighttime in a meadow. Let's see what other things they have here for us, like typing. Yep, noisy restaurant. Yep, that was a noisy restaurant. Doorbell ring. Okay, that was almost a cowbell. I don't know if I would call that the doorbell ring or not, but anyway, let's go with television playing in the background.
It's called Frog, but it now key is the rock when I'm married to Oki television, but with a finger bond, gold, I don't win for it, and tell me what you find that I.
Okay, cooking. Yep, that does sound like cooking. Cooking's going on in their street scene. Well, I think I heard a cricket in there too. Rain. Oh man, I can just listen to that rain all the time there. That's beautiful. Ocean waves and a bird. It says and bird, okay. Next is flowing water. Now that's interesting because I did hear some flowing water there in the meadow on some of the samples that I created. There was a very hint of flowing water in some of those. Insects chirping. Oh, that should sound familiar. Yep, okay, thunder. Okay, now you don't hear lightning, so I'm not sure why they have the lightning there, but we hear thunder. Let's hear it. I want to play that with the rain. Anyway, next is dog barking. It sounds like my dog's barking. Okay, let's go with instrument sounds. Or next, piano. What kind of piano do we have? All right, electric guitar. It sounds like someone just randomly putting in chords there. Anyway, violin. Ooh, I hope this is not too ear piercing. That was ear piercing. Okay, let's try the pipes here. Okay, that sounded more mechanical or more electronic than an actual, like the bagpipes there. But anyway, let's go keyboard here, electric keyboard. Okay. Okay, that was backing track. I didn't even know what that would sound like. Okay, next is human sound effects. A baby laughing. Yep, that was next is clapping. And there could be different types of clapping that you can actually create. This is kind of like a middle-sized group, maybe 30 to 40 people. But you can maybe have one in a stadium where a lot of people are clapping or just a few people are clapping. So some ideas there. Celebrate. That's pretty neat. I like that one. Footsteps. Ooh, could be haunting. Okay. It sounds like someone walking with loose shoes. I'm serious on that one. I think if you make yourself there with the generator, I think we can make some better ones than that one. That one just sounded like he had loose shoes on and they were kind of like flopping all over the place. A burp. Yep, that's a burp. Okay, chattering. I can still kind of tell that's AI in just it's not a real language. It sounds almost like Chinese or Mandarin, but it's not a real language. It's not really those languages. And it's just kind of like random stuff there. So I could really tell like the chattering and all these others is AI. There are some good ones though. Alright, so create versatile sounds for various purposes, from soothing ambient tracks for meditation apps to thrilling explosion effects for gaming and cinema. Our SoundMaker brings rich audio experiences for all types of projects. So here we have video making, which is kind of like what I was using it for, right? Game making. That sounds exciting. I do have a few videos on games which are really popular. Thank you very much all my audience out there for watching those and liking those. Next is music production. Okay, and then virtual reality. Ooh, yeah, I could just see, like the background ocean sounds and everything else there. That would be really neat. Don't miss out on our all-inclusive AI sound maker. Okay, create premium sound effects for your projects at no cost. All right, now these are images. They're not actual links on this. They're just basically showcasing, yes, you can actually make any of these sounds there. All right, let's see what we have down here. We have the AI tools and sound effects generator, which is what this is here. Okay. One thing that I did notice up here was, there we go, user generated sound effects. So let's click here. There we go. So we have a huge library that's created there for us, and we can go through here, and it's probably thousands of pages long. As you can see here, there's pages here, and then there's the prompt. And so you go in there, and I'm reading some of these. I won't read them out loud, but I'm sure if you read them there, you oh lordy. Anyway, so these are user generated sounds, and you can just go through this list here, and some of these are in Chinese here, which you can see them there. Ooh, in a rainforest there are birds flying from afar. Okay, let's play it. Beautiful sound, beautiful forest. Yeah, that actually sounds really nice, and this one did too. Alrighty, so hey, so there you go. Hopefully you like PopPop.ai as much as I did. I had a lot of fun putting in different text prompts in there, and now I have my videos with realistic background sounds, which is pretty awesome. Hey, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have a question, or maybe you have an idea for a future video topic. Go ahead and leave that down in the video, and boom, I'll make sure that I'll answer that comment and make a video about that. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. And I'd like to say a big thank you to all those who've stayed to the end. Hey, you all have a very good day, and bye-bye.